In one of my previous video, we saw an update about one of the Copa Airlines Boeing 737-700 which got damaged at San Jose Airport. The Boeing 737 was apparently in the process of being pushed back from a maintenance hangar at San Jose International Airport, during which the incident happened. Now we have got another update on Copa Airlines, and this time it is about Copa Airlines getting fined by the US Transportation Department for unlawfully transporting passengers between United States and Venezuela via a stopover point. The fine which has been imposed on Copa Airlines was around 450,000 US dollars. To give more information about the same, the US Department of Transportation said Copa Airlines violated a May 2019 order that barred US and foreign air carriers from transporting passengers between United States and Venezuela. Copa Airlines has permission to fly to several US airports under the condition that it does not offer any further connections to Venezuela. According to the sources, an investigation by the US Department of Transportation Office of Aviation Consumer Protection found that for nearly a month following the issuance of 2019 order, Copa Airlines sold more than 5,000 tickets for air travel between the United States and Venezuela, and it also transported more than 15,000 passengers on these itineraries. Copa Airlines responded that it has sold these tickets unwillfully and it understood the seriousness of the matter and will cooperate fully. The airlines has taken considerable and significant steps to avoid further violations. Half of the fine is to be paid within 120 days and the other half will become due immediately if Copa Airlines repeats the violation within 1 year. Copa Airlines is the flag carrier of Panama and it is headquartered in the Panama City. With its main hub at Tocumen International Airport, it's a subsidiary of Copa Holdings SA as well as a member of Star Alliance. The airline is also the main operator and owner of Colombian airline Aero Republica, currently known as Copa Airlines Colombia. So that was all about the details of Panama Copa Airlines being fined by US Transportation Department of 450,000 US dollars for unlawfully transporting passengers between US and Venezuela. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.